Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Exchange API keys, 2FA, and an IP allow list so trades are permitted. Next, set up your environment with Python 3. 10 plus virtualenv and pip installed dependencies. This prevents version drift. Once done, provision a low-latency VPS and verify NTP clock sync to reduce timestamp errors. Make sure key files have strict permissions, 600, and that logging is enabled so you can trace behavior immediately after your first connection attempt. You now configure the trading strategy. Set symbols, timeframes, risk parameters, max position size, and order types so the bot behaves predictably. Then calibrate latency by replaying market data and measuring your decision-to-order delay in milliseconds. This explains slippage sources. Once done, run dry run mode and backtest against recent intraday data to validate logic and tune thresholds. Make sure to record PNL and drawdown statistics so you can quantify improvements before enabling live trading. You're ready to go live. Start with conservative position sizing, stagger orders to avoid sudden fills, and monitor fills and latency in real time. Once done, enable automatic kill switches, max daily loss, max open positions, and heartbeat health checks to halt trading if anomalies occur. If something goes wrong, check for API rate limits, non-C or timestamp mismatches, and network drops. Reverting to safe mode halts new orders while you diagnose. Make sure logs and metrics pinpoint the failure so you can fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.